Hello everyone, we have here today this new BMW GO5 series X5 where we've installed today an ghost immobiliser system. It's something that we do more and more. This ghost system offers unbeatable protection, anti-theft protection. Customer decided to do so after he had his previous vehicle stolen. As you can see, it's a common occurrence. You've seen in the previous video that we shown. So on this particular occasion, the way we've done it, we wired the system. So I'll show you. The vehicle starts all fine, all seems to be all right. Again, attempt to connect to select any gear. The engine will shut down. No warning lights, no indication of why this is happening. So the engine starts again fine. So as someone will clone the key, this is all what they're gonna be able to do. So basically start the car, but when it comes to drive off the car, they won't be able. So like I say every time, there are two options to disable this system. Try to show you now. So this is basically the app. The app on the phone will show you how this is done. So basically this is the ghost app. So by literally just enable the app to be on, we're gonna turn it on now. The indicator will flash 2 times in a few seconds, and this will indicate that the alarm system has been disabled and the vehicle now can engage the gears. So the vehicle, the driver's door is open. We need to close the door. Close the door, please. We need to close the door. Okay. No. And now the vehicle allows gearbox engaging and driving. So yet again, unbeatable protection. Definitely the most advanced immobiliser system on the market today, and offers drivers a lot of peace of mind having their vehicle protected. So call us for any more details and we'll be happy to advise you. Thank you.